Okay, I'm going to play the counting down video. We'll see you in 30 seconds.
Hello everyone, I'm Ray. I'm from Fireverse. I'm the CFO of Fireverse. And actually, I've been working in the music industry for over 20 years. And our platform, Fireverse AI.com, is an AI music platform helping the people to create music creation or doing some lyrics or music they like. You can introduce yourself.
Okay, hi everyone. Thank you so much for the invitation from the Moonlight, and hi again, Alex. And basically we are trying to solve the problem in the music industry to stop the monopoly from the music company. So we help all the music creators to generate new style of music from AI, and then we can put all this the main coin concept and ask all the creator to generate the NFT and the main coin in our platform. And then after that, we can use the AI to pick one of the favorite music, as like AI can launch the main coin for all these creators here. So basically, that's what we do. AI and AI music and main coin and some NFTs. I hope you guys enjoy it tonight. Thanks again, Moonlight.
Marvelous. Thank you so much for the intro from the Fireverse team. And now we would like to invite Alex to also introduce yourself and introducing Nimble to our audience. Thank you.
Hey guys, how's it going? Happy Wednesday, happy Hump Day, and for those Chinese speakers, I know we have a lot of them. 晚上好. I'm currently learning Chinese, so we'll get better over time. But great to have you on. Nimble is the open AI platform. We're trying to democratize AI development as much as possible. So we're making huge strides in that specific regard. It's massive news we've got this week, and we can't wait to share. It feels like it's been a month since we talked last week. But definitely just 1 week. DEF CON. Everybody's busy this time, but let's get started. Super to have Fireverse on.
Nice. Yeah, definitely. We know that there have been a lot of conferences, right? From a few weeks ago, there's Binance Blockchain Week, and now DEF CON in Bangkok. And so glad that actually both of you are in Bangkok. Just a great time to dive deep into each of our projects. So our first question to Fiverr speakers are, how AI apply into the music industry? How do you integrate AI tools or AI technology into the music industry? Thank you.
Yeah, basically, we all know the music. That's not the very simple artwork. Have to like lots of department and people who can work together. So we try to use the AI to reduce the cost for the creation, and then so all these they are like half professional or they are music lover. They can create their own music in Fireworks. So that's the thing. That's the main purpose we want to do in the first place. We want to reduce the cost for the AI for the music creation, like by the AI. So, from what we know, right now we are in the AI generation. The AI tool is the most important tool right now in around the world. So we hope all the people like can participate AI in the music industry. So we we got if we want to from some article we use ChatGPT. We want to get some nice picture, nice photo. We use the Mid Journey. We want the people uh who can use the Fireverse to create the music. So that's our thing, and we want everyone have the right to use the AI. So the AI is not like monopoly by like top 1% people. That's not the purpose for the AI right now.
Mhm.
So we want everyone can participate the music industry by Fireworks by AI music. So that's the purpose.
That's very good. Yeah, because I know for some people, like it seems like creating music, right, is quite difficult if they didn't have the knowledge or the instrument, right? And with AI integrate into music industry, then actually building our own, creating our own songs, right, becomes kind of like just within seconds. That is marvelous. Thank you so much for letting us know about project. And next, we would like to go over to Alex from Nimble. Is Nimble building any AI agents? Because AI agents definitely a very hot topic lately. Right? We would love to hear some updates from you. Thank you.
Yeah, we're definitely building two really cool agents, and then one that's going to be kind of a culmination of the two plus a few more things that we can't really say right now. But yeah, we're building one for long form content to be able to produce really good long form content for like blogs and websites directly. So you just kind of integrate it, have a prompt on your news website, and it generates something really cool they can then kind of like fine tune and maybe do some embedding there, and then you get the result. And that's going to come with image to text generation. Sorry, text to image generation. So no more having a hard time trying to figure out how to use Canva, how to create a banner. You can do it right away. Imagine for teams what that would mean. That means that if you have a content writer, it doesn't have to depend on a designer, and so you can kind of like once you finish and get feedback, and you don't even need to like finish. You just create something within a few minutes, 30 minutes after fine tuning in 1 hour, and somebody takes a look, and then you kind of create the design and it's out. Versus the typical 1 to 2, 3 day timeline, which is amazing. And then we're building basically like a Twitter connected AI agent that just posts on behalf of the company profile, kind of optimizes for SEO, replies in real time, similar to the AI agents of Luna and so on, but more on the enterprise level. And yes, we've seen a lot of agents right now. I'm personally super bullish on the on-chain agents, the agents with wallets, agents being able to trade, agents being able to like talk to agents, maybe have like agent podcasts, agent AMAs, which means that we won't be talking the 3-4 of us in the future. But yeah, we'll see on that one. But yeah, this is pretty much what we're doing. We've been talking about a lot of use cases and kind of building our own, and also building mock-ups that people can fork, just kind of mint them on chain and then fork them and add more composability to these agents. So yeah, these are our plans right now, and then way more. But we'll disclose in a few weeks' time.
Nice. Thank you so much, Alex, for sharing the updates, and definitely looking forward to seeing or start to use AI agent and built by Nimble. And next, we'd like to circle back to Fireverse because we already know that copyright is so important in music industry, right? How does Fireverse tackle on this issue? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Moonlight. Speaking of the copyrights, that's very sensitive and serious issue because we all know, like what I say, generate one song, one music is very complicated. So who really own these copyrights of one music, one song? Right now, like all around the world, this professional studio. They own the piece of music sounds. That's the monopoly we want to break down. So right now, all these copyrights for the music is owned by the company, not the singer, not the creator itself. So this the thing, that's the big or this the main problem. The singer or the music creator, they create the melody, lyrics, and all this tone, the beats. They really own very little from the song if the song gets success. So that's the main problem we mainly want to solve. So first, we want to reduce the AI. We want to reduce the creation for the music by AI. The second, we want to break down the monopoly from the all this on the very top music studio there. So we want to give all this right to the music creator and the singer. So like let me give the example in the mainland China and the Hong Kong. All this the copyright they controlled by the music app and the music studio. That all this music company have the large percentage of the profit from the music. That's the not very good thing because we all know the music that's the only unisex language for all the mankind. So everyone have the rights to enjoy the music, to share the music, to create the music, and to earn from the music. So that's the second main point we want to take to break down all the copyright, to take back the copyright from the big company, give them back to the user who is really the music creator and the music singer there. By
Ah,
yeah,
And also the main purpose we have the Fireverse here is we actually would like to protect the ownership of the copywriting for the creator. You know, because from the traditional copywriting, right now is the creator will sign a contract to a company, like the royalty company or the record company. After they sign, they receive the royalty fee. Actually, it's very less, and they also doesn't know how to break down their income. So that's why we open Fireverse platform for them. Their own copywriting is all for them, not for us.
yes.
So they can control their copywriting and control their intellectual property rights as well.
got it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
I
for
am
letting us
his.
know.
Yes.
Mhm. Yeah, and so as we could see that more and more AI music being created and with the solution for copyrights is so important. Thank you so much for sharing that with us from Fireverse. And next, we would like to go to Nimble. How's Nimble's newly launched AI notebook aiming to bring AI mainstream? Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, that our vision for the notebook has always been to like have this expansive but very easy to use, kind of like code base, so that people can kind of super quickly take an AI agent through the AI lifecycle management process, just like build it step by step. With faster inferencing speeds, doing a lot of fine tuning, embedding, doing the ML ops necessary, then testing it on a specific I think historical set of values, and then like a much newer one that hasn't been trained on, and then kind of figuring out, okay, this agent worked properly or not. So it's part of the suite, right? It's a notebook, it's the hub, basically just the marketplace for AI agents, and the Nimble chain where the API of these agents will live on, so people can connect and developers can start monetizing. Yeah, I mean, with the most easy to use notebook out there, people will start, creating the agents. That's what our vision is. And we hope that's the case. And we just launched it. People can run like 15 notebooks at the same time. So please go out there, try it out. It's ready to go. I think it's kind of like you got to be as fast as possible, because right now, Google launched their notebook LM, and it can produce really high quality content, beats ChatGPT by a mile. in that sense. And then, as we're also working on like the text to image, text to text, text to even potentially video, that's where the agents are going to come into play and say, hey, just deploy as quickly as possible, iterate, and take it mainstream. So yeah, that's how it works.
That is awesome. Thank you so much, Alex, for the updates. And finally, we are going to circle back to Fireverse and talking about what can Ming also do with AI music. Can we like creating a song based on the current trending memes and like using Fiverr's tool? Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Moonlight, again. Yeah, that's the third point we want to promote right now for the fireworks because we all know right now we are in the generation of AI and the generation of the Web3. So like what I say, if we are the Web2 company, then we're doing all these things like all this monopoly. We collect all the data from the music creator and we're forming the monopoly environment for the music industry and do all this get all this earning from the music creator. But we don't want to do that. We want to break down this. That's the like what I said just now, the second point. So here we try to use the simple tool in the Web3, which is the meme coin here and the NFT from the last time the bull market bull run last time, 2021. So in this period of time, meme coin, that's the main topic, mainstream. That's the main topic and mainstream for like the blockchain generation here. So like we will invite all these like beautiful music in our platform, generate from our platform can be found as like NFTs. So like NFT simply solve the problem for the copyright. So every single transaction, the music creator can get the earning. Like my partner Yu Lao says, they get the creator earning from the NFTs, and they can form their own meme coin in Fireworks. So that's the very sexy point in Fireworks right now. So every single music creator can form their own meme coin, and their fans can kind of invest or purchase purchase their token, their meme coin from the song, the popular song in Fireworks, and those songs is picking by the AI as well. So it's not like the manually like the people who claim they are like professional music judges to pick up the song. So this very decentralized movements here. So we would like to very heavily participate in the AI generation and the blockchain by using the meme coin here. And likewise, say repeat again, the meme coin, the meme. That's the meme. It's the mainstream, like right now in the work in the Web3, in the Web3 here.
That is so nice. Thank you so much for letting us know about the upcoming.
Moonlight, you're mute. Moonlight, you're mute.
We can't hear you, Moonlight. You mute.
Yeah, I mean, we've seen these crazy agents just pulling numbers like nobody else. Well, we have the main examples like Martin and Ethernet just kind of going crazy on Firecaster, right? Basically, Ethernet, this newly launched AI agent by Hire, the Hire community, the meme coin. that kind of was spun out as a copy of Dgen back in the day, has been acting really cool. What they've done, for context, basically, is just tipping people higher, and then talking to another agent to hold some tokens for those users that the agent is tipping, so the user not act on them. So you have, I think we're starting to see all this ecosystem of complex. You don't need a bank teller to hold the money for you while for a while, or like a fund. You just use an agent that does that. And so I'm sure we're going to see these liquid decentralized funds, as AI agents, basically, or AI agents as this liquid decentralized fund. So sky's the limit here in terms of that. And then not to mention the likes of Luna and Game, and Act recently. I mean, there's a ton of them that have been popping up, and they're making waves, right? Luna, I think, has that cool interface of that's dancing all the time. You can see its live stream. It's reached 200 million market cap. And I'm curious to see the next one that's going to pop to a billion, 2 billion, 10 billion market cap. That's going to be crazy to see. So yeah, there's been recent developments. That's why we've been pushing from day one of Dimple to build, to help developers build the agents as quickly as possible. And now you have all these platforms that you can do that with. Yeah. Hmm. Yay.
Thank you so much.
you.
Bye.
Thanks,
Thank you.
everyone. Give everybody a follow, and Zetian. We'll see you
Uh,
later.
再见. See you
Yes,
next
follow
time,
us,
Alex.
fireverse.ai.com.
Yes.
Bye.